Welcome to Chandni Chowk. It is one of the oldest and busiest market of Delhi near Red Fort. Built in the 19th century by Shah Jahan and designed by his daughter Jahanara Begum, Chandni Chowk is famous for its busy market, rich culture, and delicious street food. As soon as you enter Chandni Chowk, the first thing you will notice is the modern Omex Mall. Omex Mall adds a new charm to the historic area. Gurudwara Sheesh Sahib is an important Sikh religious place in Chandni Chowk. This holy place reminds us of courage and religious freedom. And here are crispy, spicy, and absolutely irresistible dosa magic in the heart of Chandni Chowk. Paranthe Wali Gali is one of the most famous and iconic street food of Chandni Chowk. The moment you enter the lane, the tempting aroma of freshly cooked golden paranthas fills the air. These paranthas are prepared in a traditional style and stuffed with wide variety of fillings. And here we have our sweet and spicy chutney with aloo ki sabzi and pickles. The paneer parantha is absolutely mouth-watering. It is crispy and golden on the outside, yet soft and flaky inside. The spice paneer filling is very tasty. Each bite is rich, flavorful, and satisfying, making it one of the most delicious and unforgettable treats of Chani. The moment you enter, you are surrounded by lively streets filled with sound, colors, and energy. Along with shopping and food, the historical place and religious sites bring a feeling of peace in Chandni Chowk. Eating ice cream in winter in Chandni Chowk is a unique, memorable experience. The cold weather mixed with sweet, creamy taste of ice cream feels refreshing and exciting. Watching people pass by while enjoying ice cream adds a special charm to the moment. It shows that enjoyment in Chandni Chowk has no season and always brings happiness. Walking through Chandni Chowk makes me feel tired but also happy. My feet ache after long walks, yet my heart feels full of joy. I think food became popular in Chandni Chowk because of its long and rich history. During the Mughal period, special dishes were prepared with great care and taste. Over time, these traditional recipes reached small shop and street stalls. The food here is tasty, affordable, and full of authentic flavors. This is why I feel people from different places come to Chandni Chowk just to enjoy its food. This place is perfect for wedding shopping as Chandni Chowk offers an incredible variety of fabrics, designs, and styles. Gauri Shankar Mandir is a well-known Hindu temple. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. The temple has spiritual and calm atmosphere. It is an important place that reflects the faith, culture, and traditions of Old Delhi. I had a great day in Chandni Chowk. Shopping and tasting delicious food was fun. By the end of the day, tiredness came, but happiness and memories stayed. Bye bye. See you later. Like, subscribe, and share.